Alright, what's up YouTube? T-Tom is a beast here. I think the camera's off center. No, it's not. Bringing you guys the video that I've been wanting to do for a couple of years now. We're finally building my first PC. The processor we chose was the Intel i5 6600K. We got the Hyper T2 cooler. By the way, this fucker's helping me build it. We've got the R7 370 from FXX. My two hard drives, which, man, they're hard drives.
Let's see, we have
the Cooler Master CX 500M power supply, which is completely modular, 16 gigs of ballistic DDR4 RAM.
And it was 2 terabytes worth of hard drives, by the way.
Yeah.
As well. Sorry, I'm also a little sick right now, so I might be coughing while we do this.
And the motherboard, which is the Gigabyte H170M DH3 motherboard.
Also, we got an open box deal and didn't realize that it didn't have the I/O shield, so that's why there's not going to be one on this case for right now. He's going to order one online soon.
Yep. Alright, let's go ahead and get this build started.
Got it. New PC's here. I'm getting ready to edit the video footage down. But we had to make a couple swaps for the EVGA 500B power supply. And had to get a new motherboard. That was also fried. We had to get the DS3H. So DS3 or D3H, whatever it was that I said originally. And yeah, so she's running like a champ now. And oh yeah, I got another Molex adapter. I got a Molex adapter because I forgot to get more fan headers for this thing. But oh well, but she's been running like a champ. Anyways, I will catch you guys in the next video about this thing. And yeah, so I will see you guys next time. Peace.